Welcome to an address near to a river living. This is Pune's most awaited launch, which will give you a river living. Welcome to Rohan Vihara at Marungi next. So this is the 3-bedroom apartment we are going to cover for you. Next up. So I have entered the apartment now. This is your foyer space. I'm standing near to the dining. It can be easily a 6-seater in this carpet because it is only 917 carpet. You get 980 carpet also. The pricing is also very good. We're going to cover that. So this is your living part which has a good width and good length. So you can see how the apartment looks like, and it's a butterfly layout. We're going to cover that bedroom. Then before that, you can come here, and this is your balcony which is covered, and it would be with a smart storage. I guess it's very wonderful, looks very elegant. I guess Rohan designs the apartment very well. They are known for it because basically they are into infrastructure, and they have made some great projects like Mithila, Abhilasha, Rohan Ekam, Rohan Kritika, Rohan Nile. So they are the part of the industry since last 4 decades. So now here we go to the guest bedroom. This is the separate one for your guest. There is a washroom attached, and again you get a balcony here. So imagine the 3-bedroom, which is very thoughtfully designed in this carpet area with best pricing for those who want a bigger apartment. Family is bigger, but again, they can't afford that pricing, which is 1.50 or 2 CR areas like Baner, Makad, Malumir. But they can come here, they can easily own a 3-bedroom apartment with this size and a very uniquely designed layout with all amenities. It's a riverside living and one of the best property and best launch of this year. So now I have entered the passage. This is the passage. To my right hand side, it's a kitchen with parallel platform. This is the bigger platform. This is the smallest. You can say island kitchen, and there is an enclosed dry balcony which has a full size window, provision for the exhaust. This is your common washroom. This is your center top, a basin given for hand wash. This is your kids bedroom, which is being decorated now with a sofa sitting, a kind of a mini theater. Now here comes the master bedroom, which has a window full size with safety grills, and it's a good sitting space here. Easily here you don't get a balcony, but you get this space to enjoy your coffee in the evening. So this is again a great concept what they have designed. You can just watch that wardrobe space, and very well designed for your dressing table space. So there comes your screen, and you have a washroom attached. You can just cover the washroom here. So basically you get 3 washrooms here and a unique design. So one of the best carpet, best settled price, and the price going to be awesome. That is only from 97 lakhs to 1.02. So don't miss this launch.